I think you can do anything you want with music at Whitman. It's a relatively small department, you know, we're not a conservatory, but I think you will always be able to find someone who's excited about a project that you're also excited about. I'm involved in the music community here, the astronomy and physics communities. I've also been in orchestra for all 4 years, and I've been the principal cello in the orchestra for the past 2 years. I think whenever I see a group of people here that they're just so passionate and engaged in something that I find really interesting, I just want to be a part of that community. I want to contribute in any way that I can. I had a bit of a hectic college application process. Initially, I just put Whitman on my list because it was one of the few places in the Pacific Northwest where I could actually study astronomy and study music at the same time. When I visited, I got to meet Andrea Dobson, who ended up being my astronomy advisor, and who just greatly inspired me in the, 30-minute meeting or so that we had. And then I had a lesson with Sally Singer, who's been my cello teacher here the past 4 years. And between the two of them, I thought, well, these are two amazing people that I would get to work with if I came here. So I think that pretty much sold me. More recently, I just had my senior recital. That was a very big recital to put together. I sort of, throughout the year, I was finding pieces that I wanted to learn by composers that I wanted to share with everybody else. And it ended up being about 80 minutes of music, which is a little bit more than a typical senior recital. And what I especially loved is that I was able to make music with other people. I had several of my friends on as collaborators for various pieces. There was a premiere of one of my own compositions, and then there was also a premiere by the composition professor here at Whitman, John David Ernest. He wrote a piece for me to play on my recital. I was so honored to be able to perform that, and it was a lovely experience.